In the flyweight division, his record 3-0. Ladies and gentlemen, the unstoppable Nasrat Laltuzala.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome Piyush back to the commentary booth.
Thank
for
you
this
guys.
bout.
My voice is gone after last two corners.
After you cornered someone to one of the most incredible KOs.
But what
Incredible.
epic fights, bro. Last two fights were super epic. What a crazy KO we got to see. Left hook, right hand. As
been a
clean
treat.
as it comes.
As clean as it
treat.
comes. As good as it gets. As violent as it comes.
Bro, Ronin FC is firing on all cylinders. All finishes except just one Havish fight.
But let's get to this flyweight matchup. Piyush, Millennium is making his debut against no
Nazareth.
slouch, man. Like a fighter who's been on a tear. Look at
Took the center immediately.
immediately comes and takes the center. Yeah.
He has insane confidence right now because he's just beaten Jeko, who
Dzeko.
is also considered like one of the best in the flyweight right now, upcoming prospects. So it will be interesting to see what approach does Nazareth takes. Does he look for an early finish or does he goes for like more dominant grinding victory over the 3 rounds? Beautiful inside kick as we speak that.
And the thing is, we've seen Nazareth compete a lot. We've not
Millennium
seen
standing-
Millennium compete,
Yeah,
right?
and
So what I've heard from a lot of his training partners is that he might not be the best on the feet, but once he gets a hold of you, he sticks to you like a blanket. So let's see if that materializes here. Oh!
Let's see.
Millennium
He was
just
standing
he's
right in front of him.
He's rocked with
Yeah.
that inside leg kick attempt when he tried to go for a takedown.
Yep.
And then he just ate a good left hook. We'll try to come back up.
Yeah, you never want to stand up right back up,
Right in
but we
front
can
of him.
understand the urgency as well. You don't want to stay on the ground for too long as well
Yeah.
to eat those big power shots. Ooh,
Oh,
front
took
kick,
a deep
front
kick
kick.
right to the face.
Once
Oh.
again.
And he's just taking shots. He's just taking unanswered
Millennium
shots.
is not
and
looking to set them up. And
It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done.
honestly, congratulations to Nazareth for getting that win. But Millennium had no intention of setting up that shot, it seemed, and just got a little too desperate.
He was like a
With-
sitting duck there. He was standing right in front of him without moving side to side and backed up against the cage, which is the worst place to be.
Right. I guess you could. It does make sense now why people were a little upset when we had this fight on the card. But the fact is that, Millennium believed in himself. He wanted to step up for this matchup. His team believed in him. And, but still.
Yeah, man,
Kudos to Millennium,
this
but-
this fight, full disclaimer, was set up before Nazareth beat Jeko when he was 2-0.
Got it.
And Millennium had like good accolades in the amateur circuit. He had
Right.
20-7, 20 or 6, something like that win record. So we believe that he'll bring a fight here, but today was not his day. He needs to go back to the drawing board and work because the pro circuits are really different than the
Right.
amateur ones.
I'm just glad the referee stopped that fight at the right time, though. What do you think, Piyush? Because I think it could have gone really bad if it had been.
it was a mismatch. It
Right,
was a mismatch because Nazareth here is a different level of fighters. We have all seen that today.
Right. And he moves on to 4-0.
Announcing the winner in the Ronin FC 2025. Winner by TKO in the first round, 1 minute 6 seconds. Let's welcome Nasrat Laltuzala.